Installing an LACM. Align the liquid detection sensor module holder with the corresponding screw hole on the chassis. Fasten the screw and ensure that the holder is secured in place. Place the radiator tray into the chassis and then slide it to the right so that the screw hole on the tray aligns with the hole on the chassis. Fasten the screw to secure the radiator tray. Unfasten the screws on the LACM module shipping tray. Use the handle to lift the LACM and separate it from the shipping tray. If there is any old thermal grease on the processors, gently clean it off with an alcohol cleaning pad. Install the LACM on the processor carrier. Press the carrier into place until the clips at all four corners engage. Fasten the 14 Torx T20 nuts in the installation sequence shown on the cold plate assembly and the radiator. Visually inspect the components to make sure that there is no gap between the screw shoulder beneath the cold plate assembly and the processor socket. Unfasten the 6 screws on the LACM handle. Lift the LACM handle to separate it from the LACM. Install the liquid detection sensor module into the 2 clips on the holder. Ensure that the module is secured in place. When the liquid detection sensor module is secured, route the cable through the cable clips to keep everything tidy for later cable routing arrangements. Connect the LACM pump cable and leak detection cable to the connectors on the system board. Install the top cover.